This is the unboxing of the BOSTITCH 6-gallon heavy-duty air compressor. Take a quick look in here. As you can see, unit comes with an instruction manual. The unit itself. And nothing else. So for those of you that are thinking you're going to get some accessory kits, air hose or anything like that, not included in this package. This simply comes with the air compressor itself. You'll need to provide the air hose or any accessories you want to use with this unit. Alright, we've got the BOSTITCH 6-gallon pancake air compressor out of the box and set up here. One of the things that you need to be aware of is the fact that it does not come with any accessories. The hose or any air compressor accessories are not included. I had to buy that separate. 30 bucks, was able to get this nice nylon hose, which I'll include a link to in the review. I'm upgrading from the this Campbell Housefield thing. This was a $80 Walmart special. One of the things I've noticed is that the BOSTITCH is much quieter than the Campbell Housefield. I don't know if you can tell the difference here, but I'll just try to turn it on. You can tell the difference. That's that one. Very loud. This one's much deeper and better. So definitely quieter. It actually outputs a lot better than the other one, and it's been a great system for me. The small one that I had before would not fill up a car tire. This BOSTITCH one has no problem pumping up a car tire to full capacity. All in all, great upgrade for me, and certainly like it.